everyone, welcome back to gipsyrosepaperie. Today I have an unboxing video for you for your Creative Studio stationery box for August. I know we are very much deep into September, but I am terrible at checking my PO box, so henceforth we're having an August unboxing in September, and hopefully that's okay with you all. The other thing about this video that I wanted to say is that I keep saying I'm going to do a journal with me, and I have been journaling clearly, because if you saw me deconstruct this journal, I actually pulled out 2 signatures because I already know myself and I knew that this would get very chunky very quickly. As you can see, that has happened. So I will link that video if you wanted to see how I deconstructed this to make it work for me. I'll link it up here somewhere. Right after I do this, I'm gonna just stick to it and journal in here on camera, and I've got my glue stick and my scissor ready so that I don't have an excuse not to do it. It'll be a separate video, but I'll try to just upload them together so you can see the things in here in action. So I never know, and I should probably open and stop talking, or open while I talk. I never know what's in here. It's always a surprise to me. So that's part of the fun, I think, when you buy these boxes, is that I guess in some cases you can go on and you can see like a preview of the things, but I'm never one of those people. Like, I like to not know what I'm getting so then I can be like super surprised. So of course, beautiful packaging as always. How cute is her new business card? That's adorable. That's adorable. That's gonna go straight in my journal. So I like to pull everything out like a neat little package, and she did change the tissue paper. Before it was like a cream color, now it's like a rusted yellow, which is perfect for fall. Applause for that, if that was planned. Okay, so here we go. Let me move all this crap out of the way. Everything is so pretty. Like, I feel like everything is packaged so nice and neat. I'm gonna just take the sticky part off. What should we do first? Let's do the big one first. I'm never a person that has any self-restraint, so we'll do the big one first. Very, very nice ephemera. I think this is my favorite to date. They're like old book pages, so cute. Love the images in here. I'm trying to look at it and show you guys at the same time, I'm sorry. But it seems like it's one page of a book, and then it's reprinted in different different sort of finishes, or like one is grungier than the other. I feel like I'm not making sense as per usual. Yeah, I think these are so cute. Look at that little flower fairy. This is right up my alley, I'm not gonna lie. Dreamland, love it. These are so beautiful. Beauty and the Beast. Definitely gotta say, this is my favorite so far. This has to be definitely my favorite so far as as the ephemera goes. We'll see what else we've got going on here, but so far I've never have found anything in these boxes that I don't like. So let's go ahead and, I'm sorry if you guys have to watch me struggle to put this back in here, but you get some ASMR out of it, so kind of a win-win. Then we have, oh no, shut the front door. No, this is too cute. Look, oh my goodness. I was thinking these were sticky notes, but no, they're like little, I don't even want to take this out of here. Let me pull one out. They're like little stationery. I hope you guys can see that. I hope that I'm in frame. Little stationery papers with the cutest little squirrel on there. And I think looks like the same one on her card. Absolutely precious. I'm excited to journal with this. I really am. Hopefully I can get it in here without it looking like poop, because I want to make sure I put it back the way she gave it to me. Okay. And then we have this little tiny like scrapbook paper pad. These are great for little accents. Oh, that is so cool. Wait, I just saw, I gotta use this to get somewhere. The Ramones and the Runaways. That's flippin' cool. Oh, Led Zeppelin. What? Okay, this definitely just became my most favorite box. I have September's box that came today, and I don't think it can beat this box. I'm sorry. This box is really good. I don't know how I feel about opening September so close to this. It's like, how do you follow this? You know, how do you follow the main event? Let's see what's in here. This looks like a washi. Oh, that is so cute. Little delicate washi, and I gotta bring it up close to my face, guys. It's got, let me get up here. It's got like, not feathers. These are like pine needles. Super cute. I'm just gonna stand for this because I want to be able to show you up close everything. I feel like it's kind of far away. Maybe I will zoom in. Okay, I hope that's better. Yeah, that is better. Okay, so now we have this little box. I'm terrible at opening these little boxes without breaking them. And on the back, it looks like it's like little forest animal stickers. Oh my god. What are you doing to me with this box? So flippin' cute. Look at that little house. Look. North Pole, a little bee, a deer, some, what is that? Holly? I'm not sure. Oh, how adorable. It's a little bunny. I'm sorry that I'm kind of trying to rush through these, but they're duplicates and I don't want to take a million years for this box, but that is adorable. Let's close this up. Guys, I'm sorry. It's like OCD. I gotta make sure it's all put back the way I had it, or the way she had it. I believe this is a stamp because it says cling stamp. Very observant of me. All right. Oh, that's cute. It's a little squirrel. And actually, you know what I'm going to do for you guys? I'm going to stamp these out so that you can see, because I figured that that's probably, you probably want to see. So this has like a covering. There we go. Like a sticky back. See. Just make sure we get it nice and covered. I think that's good. I haven't used the stamp pad in a while. Hope it's not dried out. That's adorable. Oh my god. You guys are gonna get really tired of hearing me say that, but it's the truth. I would highly recommend, unless you want to get this all full of gunk, just put your plastic back on there, as so. That's so cute and so detailed. Like the fur is on another level. Cling stamp number 2. Oh, that was bound to happen. This one is another little baby squirrel. All right, guys, let's see what this looks like. Let me take this little clingy piece off. Does this stick? Oh, I won't stick with that. All right. So I don't want to break the stamp, and the cling is just giving me a hard time, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Because he's small. Oh, how cute. How cute is that? And it probably doesn't help that I'm doing brown ink stamp on brown paper. Probably black would give you a better result if you're using colored paper. Just a pro tip there. All right, so we've done all these. I'm curious as to what these are. This is tag. Oh, it's like a little matchbox that I just ruined. Okay. It's like a little matchbox. And oh, these are so pretty. They're little, look at these. These are little tags. Let me go through them real quick. And they have a perforation, so like if you wanted to put some ribbon, but these are stunning. Love that. Oops. So like botanical theme, looks like butterflies. You get a nice idea here. Oh, I love these mushrooms. So cute. I'm working on, or I shouldn't say I'm working on, because honestly my brain isn't there yet, but I am planning to work on a gnome, a journal with some gnomes in it. And these would be perfect in there if I can ever get around to it. And then there's some on this brown cardstock, or craft cardstock. I think it's the same images, but just on the cardstock. Those are so cute. And I think it's adorable that it came in a little matchbox. Of course, I destroyed mine with my impatience. So that is so cute. And then we have, there's a lot of ephemera in this box, more than I think the last one, if I remember right. Oh, so I thought it was a postcard, which I guess you could, but it's packaging. And then there's all these really cool stamp stickers. And I just organized my stamps the other day, so these will go perfect in there. So again, birds, animals. I see a theme here, sort of woodland, botanical. Very cool. That's really cute. Lots of squirrels, lots of forest animals, all the things that I love. And then we have this. It says lace. Oh. Is this actual lace? Oh, it's like a sticker, like a washi sticker that looks like lace. That's really cool. And it's got like a, it's like vinyl texture, and it's like embossed. Very cool. It would have been nice if I hadn't unraveled the whole thing, but hey. Sorry you have to watch me struggle with all this. Put that back. And then we have some transparent stickers, which is a staple. I think in the past 2 boxes I've gotten, there's always transparent stickers, which are cool. And then we have this little notepad. So lots of vintage type papers, little squirrels. Very cute. Very autumn-like, you know, like the fall, that fallscape type of colors. I'm all about it. I've been dreaming of fall since last fall. And if you follow my Instagram, you know that's true. I've been sharing Halloween stuff since May. I'm sure my followers like that. And then here we have a very delicate tissue paper that's like got all these leaves and stuff in it. Mulberry paper, I want to say this is called. I could be wrong. Handmade paper, but very cool. Love it. So that is it for your Creative Studios August box unboxing. That's a lot of boxes in one sentence. So good things come to those who wait, people. This is what this will show you, because I didn't make it to my PO box, and look how pleasantly surprised I am. And I had 2 boxes waiting for me there. Why am I like this? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, I am going to look, it's right here. It's right here. Sorry for the ugly bruise. My cat jumped off a tall ledge right onto my arm, because that's what cats do. But this is happening right after this, so get ready. I don't know yet if I'm gonna talk through it, because I tend to ramble, as you have probably noticed, or if I'll do a time lapse, or maybe just like sounds, paper sounds. People seem to enjoy that nowadays, but people like to just watch and listen the act of people crafting with paper. So that might be something that I tap into. I don't know yet. I don't think my microphone's that great though. I might need a new microphone, and I don't really want to invest any more money into YouTube, or my YouTube setup anyway. But anywho, I digress. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love you so much as always. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.